Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Bags and Designs by Khembuzz, to my existing and to my new subscribers. Welcome back to my channel. Guys, today's video I'll be making this lovely ostrich feathers bag for you guys to watch and for you guys to learn a lot from it. So this is actually a well detailed tutorial, and this tutorial is going to be in form of part 1 and part 2. So this is the first step, the part 1 of this tutorial. Please kindly watch the second part. The second part will be displayed soon. I'll be uploading that soon. So guys, please watch this tutorial from beginning to the end for better understanding. This is a well detailed tutorial for you guys to learn. So guys, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification button for more updates. Like and comment on my video. If you love this video, please press the button like and also leave a comment. I love you all and God bless you. Guys, I'll be starting with a pattern. Now this is the main body of the bag. The main body of the bag, the length is 16.7 inches, while the width of the bag is 10.7 inches. Now I'm going to take the measurement of where I opened. So right here is 1.5, and for the other side is 0.6 inch. Guys, this is the main body of the bag. This is the pattern. This is how it's going to look like. So I'm just going to be using the pattern to cut out, to sketch out, to bring out the material. So I'm just going to sketch it out from the material and cut it out. So this is the flap aspect. So the flap length is 9 inches, while the width is 8.5 inches. Guys, this is the pattern for the handle of the bag. So the length is 9.5 inches, while the width is 1.5 inches. So where I'll be folding, the measurement length is 1.7 inches, while the width is 0.5 inch. So guys, like I said, this is the pattern. I'm just showing you guys everything here. Make sure you actually watch every bit of this tutorial for a better understanding. Guys, for this job I'll be making use of leather padding. I am not making use of leather board. I'm making use of leather padding all through. The flap, the body, the handle, everything is leather padding, and this is leather padding here. So however guys, I'm also making use of a pure leather for this tutorial. I am not making use of a synthetic, a pure leather, genuine leather. That is what I'm making use of for this tutorial. So this is the flap. I'm already folding my flap with my leather padding. So I'm just going to sketch out another flap where I'll be folding that alone. There won't be any leather padding, so that's I don't want my bag to be too bulky, so I'm just going to fold this all alone without using any leather board or leather padding in it. Guys, I'm through with the flap aspect. So this is the ostrich aspect where I'll be stitching my ostrich to the main flap. So I'm just going to take just to mark the middle of the flap, and also guys, I'm going to take a 0.5 inch out around the bag, and the flap aspect where I'll be stitching to my bag, to the main body of the bag, I'm going to leave 1.5 inches. Guys, now I'm just going to stitch my ostrich leather my ostrich feathers, sorry, my ostrich feathers to my flap. So you guys can see how the ostrich feather looks like. It comes in different sizes, it comes in different colors. It actually comes in it comes in we have the long length, and we also have the the short length of this ostrich feathers. And also for this tutorial, I'm making use of a pack for this bag. So guys, this is a very nice tutorial where you're going to learn. I mean, it's a nice tutorial where you're going to learn a lot from it, actually. So I'm done stitching the feathers to the flap of my bag. So this is the handle aspect. Like I said, I'll be making use of leather padding all through this tutorial. So this is my leather padding at the middle of the handle, at the middle of the leather. So I'm just going to just glue everything together. You guys just watch in watch everything and try to understand it carefully. So yeah, so I'm just going to fold the handle inside and also fold the other part and stitch. Guys, this is actually a client order, and when I delivered this bag, she was like, "Ooh," like she really loved it, and I'm so happy she did. So guys, like I always say in my video, whenever you apply gum to a leather, you have to wait a little while to make sure that the gum actually dry off a little bit before you start gluing things together. So I'm through with the handle. You can see how pretty and how beautiful it looks. So guys, this measurement here, 1.5 is the back of the bag that I will be stitching, and 2 inches is where I have my upper base, where my handle is gonna sit. So I'm just trying to create an angle where I'm going to put my handle of my bag. So guys, I have a video on my YouTube where I actually did a ostrich pocket bag, which is a step-by-step tutorial. It's a well detailed tutorial. Please, you can go and watch. So this is the second ostrich bag I'll be making on this platform, and I'll be making another third one soon. So guys, you need to subscribe to to watch more of my tutorials, to get more updates. You need to click on the notification button for more updates. Guys, I'm still working on the handle of the bag, so once I'm through with the first one, I'm gonna go to the second one. Guys, I almost forgot to stitch my handle, so I'm just gonna do that now. And after stitching, then I'm just going to, thank God it's still early, not too late for me to stitch. So so I'm just gonna fix this second handle part. This is the end of today's tutorial. I hope you enjoyed every bit of it. Please, if you actually like this tutorial, please give us a beautiful like and also a nice comment. Give us a comment, and if you have any questions, you can always drop your questions under the comment section, and we're just going to reply ASAP. Thank you for all your support, guys. Thank you for your love towards my channel and towards me. Thank you so much. I love you all, and please, second part will be dropping soon, so please watch out. I love you all, and God bless you.